Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to introduce you to a very useful Chrome extension, InstaNote, video downloader for Instagram, which allows you to easily download videos from Instagram. First, make sure you have your Chrome browser open. Now let's get started. Step 1. We need to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the keyword InstaNote. In the search results, find the InstaNote video downloader for Instagram extension and click to enter the details page. On the extension details page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click on it to start downloading and installing the InstaNote extension. Wait a moment for the extension to finish installing. Once installed successfully, you'll receive a notification. Now, let's go ahead and pin InstaNote to the browser for easy access. Click on the extension icon, and you'll be quickly taken to the Instagram page. All right, now let's download a video you want to save. Below the video, you'll see a new button, the Download button. Click on it, and the video will be downloaded directly to your computer. It's as simple as that. Now, you can enjoy your favorite Instagram videos anytime, anywhere. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to stay updated with the latest from InstaNote. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. See you in the next tutorial.